Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 76 Chevy Cheyenne C30 Camper Special. Quite a unique truck. Very original. Had to repaint it one time, I'm sure, a while ago because there's some imperfections. Maybe sat outside some and maybe some tree sap sat on it. That's what I can see there probably. You know, you got a little ding here and there. One family owned out of the Northwest. We have a seat cover coming, so that'll be new. 29,905 at 129 at least. This is an air truck, 350 automatic air. Dash in pretty good shape. Got a couple cracks right there. Headliner's still there. Got a little bit of sagging. Got the pouches, that's kind of needs a washer or something, or maybe I think you might be able to get new ones of them, but that needs to be fastened back on there. Carpets are in good shape. Doors shut nice, but like I said, there's some touch up here and there. But there's your Camper Special C30 part of it. Them holes right there, and then them shocks right there inside the box. Of course, you got wiring to the camper going in there, so like the front ones are missing the grommets, but chip holes in the bed. They probably had something on there at one time. Bumper looks pretty good. Got a ding right here, scratch touched up right here. So not a perfect pickup, but a nice clean. You don't see any rust or anything right here. Little scrape right there is what we got going on. You look on the underneath of this truck, nice and clean. Inside the doors, really good. Same as the rockers. So nice, just a nice, honest old pickup. So if you're looking for something, probably not a lot of C30s. Maybe you want to go vintage camping and have a Camper Special one. I don't know if you'd find another one, so especially in this kind of shape and some history being one family owned. So if you're looking for a pretty cool two-wheel drive square body, give us a call, 605-695-7391.